Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's the word? What you heard? How you guys feeling today, man? Definitely appreciate anybody who came out as usual. Let me know how the audio is, man. I don't want to come in too loud, too hot, too heavy. What's going on, guys? How we doing today? And how's the audio? See what we got in the building in 2 seconds, man. Let me make an adjustment. Been working on a couple different things, man. You know how that goes, man. Got to make sure it's not totally crazy. You know what I mean? Got to make sure I'm turtly enough for the Turtle Club for this one. Alright, audio is gravy. Audio's good, audio's great. Alright, cool. Just trying to pick up NFTs. Alright, let's see who's in the building, man. Yeah, grind time in the building, chiming in. What's the word? What's going on, Christine? What's going on, Christine? How you feeling today? What's up? Definitely glad you guys coming through. Flight crew, what it do? Hey, I love the rhyme scheme. And what's the word? Grind time. Everyone definitely smash that like button, hit the subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Just helps get in the algorithm a little bit, get some more people in here kind of vibing, rocking, and learning a little bit with us, man. Improve the ecosystem a bit there. What up, Eddie T? Eddie T saying the same thing, man. Just like, subscribe, and sub, man. Seems like some easy things to do and to get out the way there, right? What up, Arthur? What's going on, Arthur Larkin in the building? What's going on, baby? Yeah, man, what's the word, man? How's everybody feeling today, man? We can't see you, Jonathan. Yeah, I'm about to pull it up. I'm trying to get my background in order here. Just trying to get that background in order. Then I'm gonna pull the screen up, and then I'm gonna first you already know what it is. It's Monday, so first off I'll start off on the market. We'll look and see what the market's looking like currently right now, what we could possibly be looking forward to with some mixed emotions kind of going through the market. It's been up and down, kind of choppy, trading sideways, if you will, within a certain segment of the chart. Not bad though, you know what I mean, because we're retaining certain areas, but could be a bit better if we had a little bit more volume and actually pushed through these levels and held certain levels. But I could be talking too soon because I don't have the chart pulled up just yet. Let me see. He's trying to pick up NFTs. Cuff helped me get a resurrected 10 yesterday. Grind, yes sir. Yo, congrats, big fella. Needs to give me another one. Yeah, definitely. Resurrected's the way to go. Congrats on the new digital family. I definitely appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it. Sorry about this. I'm trying to get this finicky screen. All right, there we go. That looks a little bit better, I think. Let's see. Bang. Yeah, that's way better. All right, let's do it. What's going on, everybody? How you guys feeling today? What's the word? I will now be working on that Cloud9 NFT. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Congratulations on that one, man. Let's get it. I like to see people have a game plan and then accomplishing things on that game plan. You know what I mean? Kind of get that list drawn out and crossing some things off, if you will. If you're still looking for East, no, I think I'm good on East right now. I resurrected all of the East teams I have. At some point, I'm gonna have to start buying teams again, and then kind of going with what's going to be my next resurrection, the next resurrection I'm gonna get from my guy box, if I do get one, which that's kind of me just being cocky. There's no guarantee for me actually getting a resurrection, or I might get two of them, but my next one's going to be a North. So, and of course I do not have a North team, so if you're planning on getting some teams and you're thinking about trading them for another team you may want and or need, maybe you're looking for Norths in the near future, it looks like, but not East. I think I'm good on East. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only got 6 resurrected teams right now. I'm trying to get up to like at least like 10 to 15 if I can. Oh, it's not better hurry up and scoop mine in. Yeah, and I think they're starting to go up a little bit in price, which we'll check into that too. But let's look at the market really quick and kind of see what we got going on. Let me see if I refreshed. All right, so right now at this moment, so right now at this moment, 24-hour period of time, we're up 3.4% on Bitcoin, which has us at $24,812 right now currently. Current price right now of Ethereum, like I said, it's been teeter-tottering back and forth with this resistance level that I'm going to show you guys. And if you're familiar, if you've been here beforehand, you saw the channel that I drew out. It's been playing around in that channel, but not really holding and trading sideways inside of the channel per se, which is kind of what we want to see within this situation. So, but we got Ethereum at $1,701, up 2.7% currently right now. BNB holding its weight at $314, up about almost about 1.5% or so. Matic is doing its thing. It's below $1.50 though, so but we still up about 2.5%. Dogecoin almost at 9%, up 2.5 almost. Solana went up a significant amount. It's actually at $26, up about 6% currently right now, so it's not bad. Not bad. Let me see. Shiba up 2.1%. What is everybody's views on Shiba? Everybody's talking about Shibarium dropping soon. Do you think that's going to drive the price of Shiba and Bone up? What's the perspective on that one, if anybody has any? We got Crow at almost, it's at over 8.5 cents, so that's not bad. Over 8.5 cents is definitely not bad at all, period. And we got 8 under 6. For the trading block. Yeah, man, trying to get everybody suited and booted, you know what I mean? Somebody actually said they were looking at ICP also, which I was looking at it a long time ago, but the price kept going down and down and down and down and down. I'm like, all right, this is either about to go to zero or at some point it's gonna bottom out, and maybe we reached that point. It had a little bit of progress in that too, so I'll be paying attention to a couple not random, but couple ones that I haven't been speaking about as much. I'll try to check into and kind of see what type of progress they have. Sorry about that. I said something to the kid. short term, so this is what we have first. Really, this is a 1 hour chart. So we're at 1701. We were at 1702. Now we're at 1701. You see, as we keep going into what y'all highlighted, just within these couple of segments. All right, so you see right here with this wick right here, we ended up going into this segment and getting pushed back out. Clearly right here we entered, traded sideways, came back down, and this was the time that it was supposed to right here was supposed to use it as support. Did not, came down below it, came back out one more time. As you can see right here, broke into this channel. This downtrend was supposed to use it as support. It didn't. It blew past it, came down, topped right here, used it as a resistance level right here, resistance level right here. So this is just a couple of more occasions that you can see it got rejected. Right here got rejected, right here got rejected. All right, so then right here we come into it one more time, and then you can see we get rejected right back out of this same area again. Then this time we actually have more of a significant sell-off, come all the way down to this range, and then kind of get bought back up into this area, which is where we're at currently right now, where you can kind of see this segment right here where it just this one right here where it enters, comes back in, goes back out, sells off, hits this support, sells up again, and then we got this section right here where it does the same exact thing. So it looks like we're losing volume every time we actually go in and then come back out. So hopefully this support level holds. If not, we'll see how it look as far as support. It looks like a significant level of support at, what is this? Around like a little bit below 1700. 1700 even, a little bit below, so like 1698 range maybe, but it's just not holding within this area that it should be holding into right here. So if it breaks this, chances are it'll probably bottom out around this range at about like 1675 or so, because it's got significant support levels. If we get enough selling pressure, we could bypass out of this channel or this uptrend that we were kind of staying in right now, and then go back to our original downtrend channel that we're in, as we didn't break past this level right here that we're kind of fighting with right this second. So it'll probably get pushed down further and sell off to around like 1300 possibly. Don't quote me on that. That's if it doesn't hold and it just completely just blows past these support levels and ignores those. We'll probably end up around that range or so. But there's there's really no telling if we have a little bit of volume come in, push through, and then have some type of rally before we actually have the sell-off or not. But it doesn't seem like it wants to break into this channel and actually trade sideways or push past it. But we're still at the beginning of the week also, and there's still an opportunity of a lot of volume to come in throughout the week. Kind of got to play it by ear. Yeah, next stop being about like 1300 if it breaks these levels.
Extravulance.
Yeah, probably not gonna hold this. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? To me, it looks like it could possibly sell off a little bit, but it usually does the opposite of what I wanted to most times. Look at Bitcoin. A lot of space to run, but still a lot of room to be sold off also. Around 23.5 would be like the saving grace, so we stop. Yeah, because if it sell off to 21, that's going to be a hell of a sell off. Cuffing that network dip, okay. But for real, all love and support to the stream from the NGN family, okay. That's what's up. Mr. Cryptocurrency, that's what's up, man. Welcome, man. Definitely glad to have you, man. Chart. I don't know why I just don't see it. It could run for a little bit. That's a decent sized gap if it does run. Almost about 20%. That's about the gap that it had on Ethereum if it did break through that channel. About a 20% increase. Another one I'm tracking a little bit was Bone. I don't want to see how this reacts along with Shiba Inu with the Shibarium news and all that good stuff. So seems to be hitting this resistance and selling off around this range. See if it comes down a bit or not. It looks like it might come down. Let me see, there was a couple other tokens I wanted to dive into, but I want to get into some NFT stuff and some smaller market cap tokens that I want to kind of check into and kind of see what they're sitting at right this second. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys want me to pull up and kind of look at just the logistics as far as the chart values, you know what I mean, I will definitely check it out. Let me know. We can set that up. I'll pull it up for you guys. Other than that, man, take a 2-second break and then be right back with you guys. Sorry about that, running behind. Had to actually deal with the kids really quick. Sorry. Having the newborn is definitely a full-time job, but a fun full-time job, you know what I mean? Something that's still enjoyable at the end of the day. And thanks to everybody who's still rocking. I'm actually going to check out a couple smaller market cap tokens. If you guys have any in mind that I'm not pulling up, and you guys want me to kind of check into it really quick. These are just a couple that are interesting to me currently right this second. Probably try them a little bit. This one's a little bit newer, so it's, of course going to be a little bit harder. This one just came out on Valentine's Day, but it seems to be getting significant volume on a daily. 3.1 million. It's actually been getting some very nice volume through it, so people definitely have interest in it, and it's not just dying down or being sold off, even though they had significant size airdrops given out. So just something that I've been paying attention to, so you guys feel free to do the same or don't, you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys figure out. If you guys dig into it, I'll be doing a little bit more digging. Maybe I'll come back to the table with just a little bit more information as I learn more. So as far as the token aspect and how it kind of ties into the entire system. So who else do we have? That's 4 hours, that's fine. All right, so let's say Tama had a little bit of a sell-off, got capped off around like this range right here, where 2 times got rejected and then came down to this lower level. So I guess at this point we had a range. We were kind of trading in, I would have to say around like this will probably be the range that we're kind of locked in at. So hopefully, not hopefully, if it remains healthy and around this range, it is trading between this current range right here. If not, it could come down a bit, as it had a bit of a run up to here, you know what I mean? So it didn't really build up too much of a support level on the way up. So we got a couple soft levels of support on the way down. Then we have our next level, which will probably be, honestly, I don't even want to really call it that one. I'll call it right here. This will probably be our strongest next level. So it may drop to right here. If not, then we'll probably have some friction come down to this yellow line right here. We're creating some resistance to support that. So if you're looking for a good entry, one actually may be presenting itself depending on what type of volume we see in the future. And it also is tied to what goes on to Ethereum. With Ethereum also, we have a significant downtrend. You can expect a little bit of a downtrend to some of these smaller market caps also. Let me see. Yeah, Sky token with a little bit of volume, up about 13% on a day. I'm looking at Clear Cryptos to see what the progress of them was. They're still down a bit. Everything's almost down about 10%, it looks like, right this second. The MEF token pool for the Bulls and Apes is, I think this is pretty much completely KO. I don't even know if you can buy this. Nice game. Oh no, it looks like somebody did buy it. Let's see how much they get. For 0.04, they get 2,000. I guess that's not bad. Yeah, last time I said I thought it was completely like KO. But either way, it's still not the best price if you're trying to sell into this. Definitely not the best price. Not the most investor-friendly price if you're trying to sell into that. So it's definitely not the best option. Peer-to-peer selling seems to be the best way to go. That it's looking like right now. What's the word, my brother? Yo, what's going on, NFC Queen? Do you know the deal? What the deal is with Funky Flies? I've been out the space for six months. Damn, 6 months? Damn, for real. Well, it hasn't been that long, and now they're verified, and I'm getting all kinds of offers. Yeah, so I can explain what happened with that. So more or less, they get tokenized by the Bulls and Apes project, which I can actually pivot to some NFTs right now, and I'll explain it to you. All right, so Funky Flies. This is it right here. This one right here, I actually remember doing an AMA with them. Some people actually grabbed a bunch of them. As far as like their ecosystem, I know that they do Flingo and a couple other cool things. As far as like different events they do on Twitter. As far as Twitter Spaces, pick some numbers, get some prizes out, stuff like that. They may do a couple other things. Don't get me wrong. I'm not too in depth into their ecosystem. I'm not gonna lie to you. But as far as like the transactions, it definitely, if you look at the chart, there was a big spike and a lot of people buying in on the project. That was due to them getting tokenized, and the peak was they got to about 0.07, 0.08 range, and people began to kind of sell off from there because the name of the game, after people started to realize, hey, when things get tokenized and methane token is attached to it, people buy it. Then if you buy early, you can actually sell high, and then you can be waiting more or less for the next tokenized project. So it became I don't know, it became almost like a game, more or less. Not saying that they're just playing with the ecosystems, but that's why you see the high volume and then the slowed down volume right this second, and then the lower wrapped ETH offers. But you still see wrapped ETH offers right now because people will pay 0.025 for something that creates 3 methane tokens per day within the Bulls and Apes ecosystem. So that's currently ride. There's still like we got wrapped ETH offers, we got a little bit of traction still, and people will be willing to obtain it. I don't think too many things are gonna go lower than like a 0.03 floor without being obtained, just to kind of build up that additional methane token. So that was the big rush. So I think the high was like 0.07 or 0.08 or something like that. So yeah, that's what actually went down with that one, and why it actually kind of spiked like that a little bit. So what I can stake for methane, you don't have to stake it. More or less, you just go to the platform for the Bulls and Apes project, which this is the Bulls and Apes. So more or less, you would go here, and then if you actually they got some pop-ups on here, baby. So there's the home tab, there's a collection tab. You click on collection, and then you go to my collection, and then it's the screen to pull up, and it's trying to connect to the wrong wallet. All right, so this is the screen that you'll see. You can click on this, it'll connect to your wallet, and then you'll be able to see like your tokenized communities and stuff like that. So love me some Funky Flies, but I can buy flight right NFTs for 0.02 and make more math weekly. I mean, technically, yeah. I mean, this depends. You know what I mean? Depends on if you're talking about price range, then yeah, you can definitely collect a little bit more. Which we do got those going still. We got the mint still going. We got people winning $1,000. I think we got like 80 plus more NFTs until we do our 5th airdrop We do weekly airdrops for methane token if you're holding 10 or more for the NFT. So we got a lot of different perks that are going around for the NFT side. A lot of different opportunities are actually presenting themselves. So if you guys haven't been paying attention to that, I definitely have been. It's been a little bit of traction as far as like buys and sells of these NFTs. I know we definitely got some wrapped off ETH offers that are getting taken. Like we just had one 5 minutes ago at 0.42 getting taken, one for 0.41 getting taken, what was it, like almost like an hour ago. Let me see, got another wrapped ETH offer. So we got some wrapped ETH offers getting taken, even for some cigar ones, man. So yeah, some pretty nice bulls in there too. So yeah, man, it seems like the time where people are kind of creating liquidity, and they're shifting things around, man. So it's giving people an opportunity to either buy in or, you know what I mean, keep waiting, because you guys see the projected price pretty much is shifting towards. I said my quote was, and I'm still standing on my quote, that it was going to be the low 0.4. I said 0.35 range to the low 0.4 range. So technically it's in my range already, but I feel like it can get a little bit lower than what it is currently right now, just due to bot action. People accepting wrapped ETH offers currently right now for around this range. And we're getting kind of close at a 0.42 with 0.39 wrapped ETH offers currently right now. So possibility of us rebounding around like 0.35, maybe a little bit lower. I don't really see it going too much lower than 0.35. If it does, I would definitely be trying to move some things around and try to collect as many as I can. And I know the methane price for that will be cheaper too. Not to mention there's people that are willing to trade assets for OGs also. So oh, no problem. Well, I guess it's Miss OG Queen. But yeah, no problem at all. Anybody else got any other questions, NFT wise or anything else, let me know too. You guys are more than welcome to check in, kind of see what's going on the NFT side. Let's see. Let's check on the ape collection that has not revealed yet, but these are the dynamic PFPs that we're going to be utilizing. Floor price is a little bit above the mint price currently right now, which is good to see. Wrapped ETH offer is 0.18, not bad. So it seems to be holding up currently right now, 35 ETH in value within a short period of time. So we'll see how these come out and how the loot boxes come. I know they're still doing some testing, so we may be sitting for another week or two as far as for the reveal. So we'll see how that does pan out and how that does kind of work out for everybody when they start getting the loot boxes and needing more methane token. The price of methane token kind of squeezing and the value of that going up. I would like to see it above that 0.15 range again. That would be nice for 1,000. If we can get to 0.2 for 1,000 again, man, I'm definitely going to be like it's gonna be a significant amount of money for those who are really playing the game. Like even if you just own a God Bull, that would be 700 a week, which is 1,400 every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks you'll be able to get like 0.25 almost. So if it gets to that range, just for owning one God Bull, or if you got multiple assets, you can get around that range too. But just peer-to-peer sales, it just has to be valued at that range. The assets will go up, the token price will go up. It doesn't have a liquidity pool to be paired to right now currently, so it's really about the perspective of the community at this point. Check out the team. Man, the teens were super low. Eddie T, I don't know if he's still out there, man, but man, did you miss some teen sales? They had some teens for 0.09, 0.08 they were selling, which I was actually like, damn, like I'm mad I missed it. I gotta stop snoozing so much. But let me see. Well, zooming it out too much. Yeah, you can see it on the side right here. 0.09 wrapped ETH offer just got taken 23 minutes ago. 0.09 again. we get 0.09. Where's it? 0.09 again. Where is it? Where's 0.08 set? There it is right here. A couple 0.08s got taken in a row. Like it was like 3 or 4. There was some for 0.09 that was just on the floor. Like look, this was just listed at this. Yeah, so it was a pretty good day on the floor for teens. Somebody came through and actually swept up a bunch of them. Or like man, look, bam, bam, bam. A couple different deals right there. Which we know value is definitely still there. So we'll see how that ends up going. Then another thing that that people are definitely sleep on, floor price for all of these 0.09. And that starts with a resurrection, which will actually get you something that you need pretty pretty bad actually to get to where you want to go, as far as like cheaper ways to create the methane. Especially, man, that's a resurrected team bull for 0.0, well actually for 0.18 or 0.17 range. Not at lower if you get a wrap these offer. If you guys understood, if you know type of situation, we'll talk about it in the space and kind of collaborate how we can get some of these things done. Cause what's the yeah, trust me, and it's yeah, man. I'll tell you guys in the space. Gotta save something for the space, right? You guys just gotta remind me. You know I'm old. Let's see. So we got about 57 minutes till we get into the space, man. A lot of these things are under and some overpriced, to be honest. Got merger ores back at 0.18 again. So yeah, man, this is getting interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, I got some I got some plan I'm gonna be doing tonight. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So need to make in a Discord like a Degens Unite page. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions, concerns, thoughts, anything like that. May cut out a little bit early, grab me something to eat before the space. We got in about 57 minutes or so, and man, we go over some different alpha or something like that, man. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any thoughts, concerns, anything like that. Yeah, man, don't say damn why no call team racers. Yeah, there's a couple team racers on the floor too, which I'm actually surprised. I actually found out that the racer trade alone, like this, the white racer, there's only like 60 of those. The what is it, like the green one, this one right here, I think there's like 70 or something like that, like 70 or 60. So they're all under 100 for the racer trade, which is one, bam, bam, and bam. This is almost like your twin right here. Like this is almost like the twin to the one you got. But yeah, man. So we got a couple different. Yeah, I'm not gonna show them all. Oh, you grind. Cuff don't buy my twin. I'll think about it. All right, let's take a quick short break, man. Let me know if you got any questions, man. Go into my question mode, man, and then I'm gonna make me something to eat, man. Be back in 2 seconds. guys a couple seconds and me a couple crackers in between that break to see if you guys had any questions. Looking like everybody is okay out here in these streets, man. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to slide into the not into the DMs there, but into the Twitter. We can actually hear my voice. I can answer the question. We can do all that cool stuff. I'm actually going to be staring at each chart for a little bit to see if we're going to run a little bit or not, or if we'll keep getting rejected within this trend here. Yeah, let me know if you guys have questions before we get out of there. Now I'm gonna wrap it up as soon as I put this trend line down. Bam, there it is. One hour, yeah. All right. So, as I usually say, you guys enjoy the rest of your night, day, evening, wherever you guys are located, man. Go ahead and cut the music, man. I appreciate you guys for coming out. Everybody for engaging. It definitely makes the chat, it does make the chat, but the chat and the stream a little bit easier when you guys are engaged, got some questions or just some thoughts, input, opinions, whatever you guys want to kind of put into the actual stream itself. It just makes it a little bit more fun, easier, and just makes it a vibe. So I appreciate all of you guys that they come out, support, and do all that good stuff, man. We got a space in 49 minutes. You guys are more than welcome to come, show up, show out, tell us about what's going on in your wallet or what you got going on, just period, man. So looks like we might actually be breaking out a little bit. Might have to get in on this. All right, guys. So you guys keep cuffing that dick. Look for that dip. Keep blah 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 blah. Don't need crackers and try to get out of here. You guys keep cuffing that dip. Look for good support levels, and of course, remember that it's beyond crypto, and do all the good things. Enjoy the family, all that, and don't eat crackers. I'm gonna eat another cracker right now. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your night. I'm out of here.